Now, there's more help coming for former national player Miguel "Banky" Blair, as the JFF president Michael Ricketts has made a commitment to assist with the building of a home. Blair was left without a house after fire destroyed his house over 4 years ago.
As the Unsung Ones Foundation pulls out the stops to help former national player Miguel Blair, they can breathe a little easier as help is on its way from the JFF. The JFF president Michael Ricketts was at Water Street in downtown Kingston on Sunday to visit Blair.
Where is it?
It was there that Ricketts committed his support to helping the Past Players Association.
It is really very challenging now just for everybody. COVID has presented an atmosphere that makes life so very difficult for all of us, not just here, but globally. But we must find a way to navigate. It has to be best practices going forward. And we want to ensure that we do give some support to some of our soldiers who would have entertained us thoroughly over the years and have fallen on hard times. This is a typical example.
Ricketts didn't say how much the federation will be giving.
We would have sought permission from FIFA as it relates to the COVID relief fund, and we want to make a small portion available to this newly formed body. We would have set up a welfare committee within the Retired Past Players Association that will make a determination as to who qualifies and whatever support they can give.
The JFF president is also calling on former national players in a better position to help the less fortunate.
There are some former players who have done well, and of course there are some who would have really struggled and is in fact struggling. So we want to ask those who are in a position to give some support to do so, because some of them would have played alongside some of those who are really struggling now.
Bradley Stewart, who is a member of the Unsung Ones Foundation, says he's hoping the effort they are putting in doesn't go in vain.
Why I'm saying that? Because I've been around for a little while and I've seen efforts that would have started and would have just petered out into nothing.
The Past Players Association is scheduled to be launched soon. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.